Hello. For this video, we'll talk about personality traits. Let's go right into it. Kind, generous, honest, loyal, brave, confident, hardworking, responsible, optimistic, friendly, patient, polite, creative, adventurous, reliable, humble, cheerful, ambitious, empathetic, rude, lazy, selfish, arrogant, stubborn, impatient, jealous, greedy, aggressive, dishonest, pessimistic, bossy, moody, insensitive, cynical, manipulative, shy, introverted, extroverted, curious, serious, quiet, talkative, observant, reserved, emotional. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Bye.